There we go. Okay, we're all set now. Go ahead.
Welcome to the Bella Orchid Hotel. My name is Hisham Casey. I'm the catering sales manager.
And my name's Ariel Scott. I'm the director of the food and beverage department.
So here at the Bella Orchid Hotel, we strive to provide exceptional service and quality for our guests, for having a great experience and comfort. We're responsible for guests' overall food and beverage experience. We plan and arrange buffets, banquets, and private parties. We oversee preparation of all food and beverages served in the hotel. And we order food, drinks, and other related supplies, and determine menu prices and portions for guests.
Right, so basically, like I said, my name is Ariel Scott. I'm the director of food and beverage. My role here is to plan and manage the human resources and the food and beverage department. I respond to customer trends, needs, and comments, and complaints as well. So I deal with the customers directly. I also develop menus, promotions, presentations, displays, and I also am in charge of developing the department's budgeting and marketing. And I manage and maintenance the sanitation of the food and beverage department as well.
So, as I mentioned before, my name is Sean Casey. I'm the catering sales manager. I produce contracts and banquet orders for each event. I develop proposals for clients and follow through on pending bookings. And I also solicit bookings of large events, report potential sales, lead the director of food and beverage.
All right, so we composed a confirmation letter to Miss Josephine Hernandez, and basically what we did was in the confirmation letter we asked that she just review the information, the date, the time, the cost, make sure that everything is correct. We asked her just to sign the contract and return one of the copies back to us. We also asked Ms. Hernandez to review the custom menu that she chose, in which case we just wanted her to make sure that everything was correct on the menu as well. We thank Ms. Hernandez for choosing the Bella Orchid Hotel, and then we basically showed confidence that she would not only return to the Bella Orchid Hotel, but that the banquet would be a success.
So this is the letter that we sent to Ms. Hernandez.
Right, in the Excel spreadsheet analysis description, basically the purpose of us doing the Excel spreadsheet was to monitor the entree sales for the entire month of June. That includes the days, the weeks, and the month. We determined which items were the most popular or the least popular. We also determined which items brought in the most revenue, and we determined, basically, based on that worksheet, we can determine the appropriate pricing for the menus.
As you can see, for the weekend of June 7th, the dish that was most sold for the guests here at Bella Orchid Hotel was the steak, and the least was the pasta. And this is the total of the entrees sold for this week. This is the week sales at the right.
And this is just a chart that represents the data on the previous slide. Right, so this is for the week ending of June 14th. Again, this is the data that represents the total entrees sold. It also has the total week sales, so you can kind of compare the items sold versus how much revenue they brought in.
This is also the description of the sales of the dishes that week. This is it for the third week, the week of June 28th. This is the total entrees sold. The most dish sold was the steak, and the least was the pasta, just like the week of June 7th. And this is the week sales here, right?
again, this is just a chart representing the data from previous. And then for the week ending of June 28th, just another spreadsheet showing the data.
This is also a description of the data.
And for the summary week, basically what we did was we made a worksheet that had all 4 weeks in the week of June, the total entree sold, and the total weekly sales. So basically, as you can see in the data, that the stuffed chicken breast for the 4 weeks was the most popular item. It sold more than any other entree. And then for the total weekly sales, the prime rib Wellington actually sold more, even though it did not sell more entrees as well. And these are charts representing basically just the total entrees sold in the whole month of June, and also the total sales in June. So as you can see, the stuffed chicken breast sold more, and the prime rib Wellington actually brought in more in sales. So in conclusion, basically what we found from our data from the worksheet is that the stuffed chicken breast entree was the most popular entree throughout the month of June. The prime rib Wellington brought in more sales. We also found that throughout the month of June, we consistently increased in business. Each week we sold more entrees, and each week we made more money. Also, based on these worksheets, we're also considering replacing the pasta primavera dish, perhaps with another pasta dish.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.